Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to add and delete folders from Quick Access. Pay attention to the small arrows to follow the steps. These are some folders in Quick Access. We can add other folders and also we can delete this folder from Quick Access. Okay, we will try adding another folder to add to Quick Access. Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. Okay guys, that's how to add and delete folders from Quick Access. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.